Let's see how to add or set legal policies on your Shopify store. So this is very easy and it's important for the legal terms of your online store. And I'm going to show you how to do it in just a few steps. But I want to tell you that there is currently an special offer in case you want to try Shopify or open your new store. It will give you 3 days for free to try Shopify, and after that, you will get a month of any subscription for just $1. So you can try with the link in the description below. And now let's begin with the tutorial. So to do it, you just need to go to your settings and then scroll down to the bottom and click on policies. Now, once you are here, you will see all the different type of policies you can find, like the return and refund policy, the privacy policy, the terms of service, shipping policy, and more. And it's very easy. So let's say I want to set a return and refund policy. You just need to click here, and then you can type in whatever you want, or you can insert this template by Shopify. It will include some of your personal information like your Gmail, and this is a very good template you can use. Then you just need to publish it, and customers, as you can see here, they will be able to see it in the footer. This is automatic. This process is automatic. You don't need to do anything. Your policies will be linked in the footer of your website, and they can be added to your online store menu by clicking right here. And that's the process you need to do with all the policies you want to add. For example, the terms of service is the same. You just insert this template, and that's it. You need to change some information. Like if you start uh, reading it, for example, as you can see right here, it says link to privacy policy. So in this case, you need to add a link to your privacy policy um, URL or page, and that's it. You just need to read it and see the text between brackets. For example, here you need to do another link to the refund policy. In some cases, you need to add your name or the name of your business, and that's it. That's how easy you can insert policies on Shopify. So I hope it was helpful and thanks for watching.